heading out towards the west end of the estate, where the Balmoral Forest is, which was bought by Queen Victoria. When she initially bought it, she only bought the timber, and then later on she bought the land that the trees were growing on, and it's said to be the first act of conservation. I'm Joe McClugish. I've been here 30 plus years now. My father used to work in the forestry, and I sort of followed in his footsteps. I started working in the forest in 1981. I'm the forestry foreman from Balmoral Estate.